Are you looking to improve your health naturally? Look no further than apple cider vinegar. In this video, we'll uncover the 10 health benefits associated with apple cider vinegar. For best results, it's recommended to use the raw organic apple cider vinegar that contains the mother. Wondering what the mother is? It's a combination of enzymes, friendly bacteria, and protein strands that lend the vinegar its distinctive cloudy appearance. Apple cider vinegar is commonly used in cooking, as a salad dressing, in marinades, and as a food preservative, beauty purposes, and has gained popularity for its potential health benefits. Here are the 10 health benefits of apple cider vinegar you need to know. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar may aid in weight management through several mechanisms. Firstly, it contains acetic acid, which has been shown to suppress appetite and increase feelings of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake. Additionally, some research suggests that apple cider vinegar may help to boost metabolism and promote fat breakdown. However, it's essential to incorporate apple cider vinegar into a balanced diet and exercise regimen for optimal weight management results. Number 2. Several studies have indicated that apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. By reducing blood sugar spikes after meals, apple cider vinegar may help to improve overall glycemic control and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar is often touted for its ability to support digestive health. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may aid in the digestion of food by increasing stomach acidity, which can enhance the breakdown of proteins and facilitate nutrient absorption. Number 4. Some research suggests that regular consumption of apple cider vinegar may have a positive impact on heart health. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to reduce levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, which are risk factors for cardiovascular disease. By improving lipid profiles, apple cider vinegar may help to lower the risk of heart disease and stroke when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar exhibits potent antimicrobial properties due to its high acidity and the presence of compounds like acetic acid. As a result, it can help to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and pathogens. Apple cider vinegar is commonly used as a natural disinfectant for cleaning surfaces. It may also be effective in inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria when used to wash fruits and vegetables. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar is often used topically to promote skin health and treat various skin conditions. Its acidic nature helps to balance the skin's pH levels, which can reduce inflammation and prevent acne breakouts. Number 7. Apple cider vinegar is a popular natural remedy for maintaining healthy hair and scalp. It can help to remove buildup from styling products and excess oil from the scalp, leaving the hair clean and shiny. Number 8. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including arthritis and cardiovascular disease. The antioxidants found in apple cider vinegar, such as polyphenols, may help to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which contributes to inflammation in the body. Number 9. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may enhance the absorption of essential minerals like calcium and iron from the foods we eat. By increasing stomach acidity, apple cider vinegar helps to break down food more efficiently, allowing nutrients to be absorbed more effectively in the intestines. Number 10. Apple cider vinegar contains antioxidants like vitamin C and polyphenols, which can help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections, including respiratory infections like the common cold and flu. Who should avoid apple cider vinegar and why? 1. People who suffer from ulcers, gastritis, or acid reflux may find that apple cider vinegar exacerbates their symptoms. Its acidic nature can irritate the stomach lining and worsen digestive discomfort. 2. The high acidity of apple cider vinegar may put additional strain on the kidneys, which could be particularly problematic for individuals with pre-existing kidney issues. This added burden may exacerbate kidney disease and compromised kidney function. 3. Due to the lack of conclusive evidence regarding its safety during pregnancy and lactation, pregnant and breastfeeding women may choose to avoid apple cider vinegar or consult a healthcare provider before using it. 4. People with osteoporosis or other bone health issues should be cautious and possibly avoid the use of apple cider vinegar. The acidity of apple cider vinegar may potentially leach calcium from the bones, exacerbating bone density loss and worsening osteoporosis. In conclusion, while apple cider vinegar offers myriad health benefits, moderation and dilution are key to sidestepping potential side effects. Seeking counsel from a healthcare professional before commencing any new supplement regimen is advisable. Are you considering incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet moving forward? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this one. See you next time.